In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Amazon account. Open up your browser, come on here, type in Amazon, right? So Amazon, this is it. So this is it. Yeah, so this is Amazon. I'm going to click on it. Yeah, so if you want to create an Amazon account, depending on your country, right? Because I'm from Nigeria, so I want to create an Amazon account. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this, right? Create. So I'm going to enter my email. Click on get started, right? So fill in these details, right? Once you are done with filling it, you're going to click on the next step. Then you're going to get a verification code where you can be able to verify that I've successfully created your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.